As you can see, both of the transfer pumps have been disconnected from the main tank, so there's no way to transfer fluoride from the main tank to the day tank.
Across Utah, water facilities like this one in Salt Lake City have been preparing to close the tap on fluoride. The state Wednesday became the first in the nation to ban adding the mineral to drinking water, a practice implemented across the U.S. since the 1940s to prevent tooth decay.
Dentists in many cities are helping to bring the benefits of fluoridation to children.
Local public health officials are trying to get the word out.
The main message we're trying to get to people is that they are going to have to be proactive about getting their fluoride. This will no longer be delivered to them passively.
Backers of the ban call it a personal choice issue.
It makes no sense to have fluoride in our water. I'm very, very proud of this state for being the first state to ban it, and I hope many more will come.
Florida is poised to follow suit, and bills are on the table targeting fluoride in several other states. Critics argue fluoride could negatively affect children's brain development. An August 2024 report by the National Toxicology Program found with, quote, moderate confidence that higher levels of fluoride exposure are associated with lower IQ in children. The recommended level in the U.S. is less than half that. The report found there were insufficient data to determine if that level has a negative effect. Proponents of fluoride point out the effects of removing it have been well studied. Calgary, Canada stopped fluoridating its water in 2011, while its northern neighbor, Edmonton, did not. About 7 years later, a study showed second graders in Calgary had significantly higher rates of cavities. Calgary voted to bring back fluoride in 2021, and it's set to be added back by this summer. Dentists warn removing fluoride hits lower-income families hardest.
The first line of defense is water fluoridation, and I look at it as a health equity issue. Everybody has tap water that they can use.
In Utah, the same bill that banned adding fluoride to water made it possible for pharmacists to prescribe fluoride tablets. Dentists like Dr. Brendan Dowd warn not everyone will access those as freely as tap water, and that tooth decay can have serious health complications for kids.
Cavities can be taken care of with fillings, but sometimes as they get worse, they turn into infections. Sometimes they end up in the hospital. They have to be treated there with IV antibiotics. So it can get very serious very quickly.
And Jake, though some supporters of banning fluoride in drinking water point to its availability elsewhere as an alternative, like fluoride toothpaste, for example, there have been some recent efforts even to go after those products. Last week, Texas's Attorney General said he was investigating toothpaste companies for allegedly deceptively marketing fluoride toothpaste to kids in ways that get them to use more. Colgate-Palmolive, for its part, told us that its products are safe when used as directed. Jake?
All right, Meg Terrell, thanks so much.